All right, so we're back up here at Venture on Elden for our March renovation update. Of course, we're here with John. John, thanks for hanging out with us today.
Snowy in Flagstaff, I love it.
I know,
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So tell me about what has been updated since we were last here.
Yeah, a lot of things that have happened around here. We now have 2 full units that are complete. Couple little tweaks in there, then they're going to start renting. And right behind it, I think we have another 12 units right behind it. And
Okay.
then there's one more resident who's here that's moving out at the end of the month. And as soon as that resident moves out, then we can finish up the demo on that building.
Nice. And
Yep.
I know there's some new like appliances and stuff in there. What's changed since we last saw it?
Yeah, the appliances showed up. They look nice. I mean, I haven't seen it in a month and a half. So you saw it before I did.
Right.
So I'm looking at it.
So all of this is new for you.
Oh yeah, it looks fantastic.
They do. They look
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Awesome.
and I'm just waiting. For the exterior, we got a little bit more work to do, but
Cool.
as you can tell, you can't do much outside in this weather.
Right, exactly. Yeah, it is pretty snowy out here, but it looks great and everything's really coming together. So I'm excited to come back again and see the update and how far it's come next month. This will be
Yep.
great.
We should be finished with construction within a month
Nice.
here, and when we're done, then everything gets rented up. The snow's coming right on keep sitting right there.
Well, it's going good. I mean, it's progressing really quickly, and even in this weather, it's going well. So it's really exciting.
Yeah, I like this property. It's
Me
so,
too. It's beautiful. Yep.
so nice.
Awesome. Well, make sure you guys check back in next month for another update on Venture on Elden.